it over on the back side. So yesterday I did all the problems with you. Today I'll do some of them, and hopefully by the end of the week, your success criteria is that you would be able to do all of them without any help. So let's think. 9 plus 10. 19. 7 plus 7 is 14. So 7 plus 8 would be 15. 6 plus 6 is what? 12. So one more is 13. 5 plus 5 is 10. So 5 plus 6 is... Good. What is 2 plus 3? It's 5. Good. What is 10 plus 11? That's that really big one that we have to remember. 21. Okay. 3 plus 4. So 3 plus 3 is 6. One more is 7. 4 plus 4 is 8. One more is 9. Okay, the next one I want you to do 8 plus 8 and then add one more. 16, so one more is 17. 1 plus 2, 3. 10 plus 11 is 21. 1 plus 2 is easy, that's 3. Okay, now I want you to push pause on the video and I want you to do the second part by yourself and then push play and check your answers with mine. So go ahead. Okay, so let's check our answers. This one is 17, 11, 19, 13, 15, 9. How are you doing? Did you get lots of them right? This one's 1 and 7 and 5. All right, turn it into your teacher and do what they would have you do next. All right, boys and girls, please put your name at the top of your paper. This week we are studying near doubles. They're almost exactly like the doubles that we did last week. It's just adding one more onto our doubles facts. So the more we know our doubles facts, the better we're going to be at our near doubles facts. So on the front page, we are using blocks to help us see what the near doubles are. So if I have 10 plus 10, and that equals what? 20. One more than that is 21. Okay, so what is 6 plus 6? I want you to count it. Yep, that's 12. So one more than 6 plus 6 is 12, is 13. 5 plus 5 is 10. So one more is 11. 3 plus 3, what's that answer? Is 6. So one more is 7. Okay, so 7 plus 7, what's that answer? 14. One more is 15. Okay, 4 plus 4, what's that answer? Yeah, that's 8. So one more is 9. 9 plus 9 is what? 18. So one more is 19. And the last one, can you remember what 8 plus 8 is? 16. So what would the near doubles be for that one? Yeah, it would be 17. All right.